Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome back to SpecSense. Bathroom fans are essential for air circulation and for removing moisture from the bathroom. It's important to have a fan that is adequately sized. Without proper ventilation, moisture can build up and can cause toxic molds to grow. In this episode, we'll cover everything you need to find the right replacement fan. First, look at the CFM rating. CFM, or cubic feet per minute, measures how much air a fan can circulate. A good rule of thumb is to have 1 CFM for every square foot. This means a small bathroom would need a 50 CFM fan, and an average-sized bathroom would need a 100 CFM fan. Bathrooms over 100 square feet should be calculated by adding together 50 CFM for each toilet, bathtub, shower, and 100 CFM for each jacuzzi. For example, a master bathroom with a shower stall, toilet, and jacuzzi would need a minimum of 200 CFM. Another consideration is the static pressure, which is the airflow resistance in the system. The duct diameter, length, the number of elbows, and the duct material can increase the static pressure and reduce the output of your fan. This means a 100 CFM fan may not output 100 CFM once installed. When in doubt, choose a fan with a higher CFM rating. Next, choose the SON rating for your fan. SONS is the measurement of how much noise a fan makes while running. SON rating under 1 is very quiet. 1.5 to 2 SONS is still adequate for any household. Anything over 4 is considered noisy and should be avoided. Modern bathroom fans come with a variety of advanced features. Humidity sensing units will automatically turn on when detecting high levels of humidity. Motion sensors can activate the fans automatically as you come and go. And many models contain an overhead light or night light for visibility, which can also be linked to a motion sensor. Built-in heaters offer added warmth for cold mornings, and integrated speakers offer a new way to enjoy your music. Now, if you want to save electricity, look for an ENERGY STAR certified fan, which can use up to 60% less energy than older models. Hopefully, this has helped you choose a new bathroom fan. To learn how to replace your bathroom fan and how to replace the motor, then watch the videos linked below. And if you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.